Information plays a crucial role in BIM processes. Therefore, we have to import the information or extract it carefully and patiently, since the accuracy doesn't matter for us. So, for adding information to the elements or models, we can use several softwares. One of them is Dynamo, that it simplifies the process of applying information to automate it. Suppose that you want to complete the project information based on the given data. So, for instance, in organization name, building name, and the rest of the parameters that we can use Dynamo, also Excel. Firstly, let me open an Excel file. I have prepared this from before, as you can see, which is just simple. We got the name of the parameters, as you can see, and also their values specified, like this way, that we're gonna use Dynamo for adding these. For instance, IA for organization name, and for building name, like exam. No, for the other author, I add custom, and for project name, I add this value. This method, you can add the values, and then as soon as you launch Dynamo, the values will be updated in Revit as well. So we get back to Manage tab, and then I launch Dynamo. Afterwards, after opening Dynamo, we're going to use this script. Firstly, the file path node, in which we specify the Excel, and then we convert it to an object, data import Excel, in order to read the content of Excel file. Then here we specify the name of the sheet. Watch this, sheet information. Here we can specify the name of the sheet. Watch this, we name it in the string. Then we can set it to false or true if we want to open the Excel file. And then the rows and the columns will be separated. And as we want to separate the names and values, we use list transpose, like this way. So we give the output of list of items to list of transpose to separate two columns of names and values. And we use list of items to remove the first rows of the lists, which were name and value. And in the continuation, here we got two indexes that are name and value. So I have used two list.getItems that indexed, as you can see. So firstly index 0, and then index 0, which is related to value. So after getting these indexes, we want to assign this information to the elements, where you have used element.set parameters by name here in element classes. However, you can find it as element types in the previous versions as well. We select project info, then all elements of class or all elements of types in the older versions. Then we give it to element, and these are the parameters names that we have imported them from Excel, and the values. So right now, project information, here as you can see, we got nothing, but if I click on run, and then the information is added. Watch this, they are updated here. So whatever changes we make in Excel, you just need to click on run to update them in Revit.